guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace brake light switch on Lincoln vehicle guys. Now this one will cover guys pretty much any Lincoln guys, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll demonstrate on Lincoln MKX, but it will work on so many models and you can find that in the description of the video below. It should work on Mks, Mkz, Mkt, Mkx, Navigator and even the Mark LT as well guys. So let's go ahead, start on it, show you how to do that. Quick introduction. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Let's start on it now. So we'll go inside that Lincoln guys and I'll show you what you need to do. It's super simple guys, doesn't take much time at all. If you need to buy a new brake light switch, we'll have the link and where you can get the parts for a really good price guys in the description of the video below. This is guys right here, brake paddle as you can see, and gas paddle. So if you come underneath, okay, check it out now, all the way underneath. Okay, that blue thing guys above the brake paddle, okay, this right here, this is your brake light switch. This switch is responsible for the cruise control as well. This is the one that deactivates the cruise control when you press the brake paddle. Now if that switch is bad, your cruise control may not work as well, so always check that guys. Now we'll have a video that explains how to test them, so please check it out. Now you grab the switch guys and you turn it clockwise, okay, like that. This is clockwise, and just pull it out, okay, like that. You can see, pretty simple. From that point on, we need to disconnect guys the wiring harness. And how you do that, okay, let me show you. Okay, right here now you can press in here, but sometimes it gets stuck. What I'll get, a small screwdriver, okay, and just press in the white thing here, the tooth in, okay, and pull the wires out, okay guys, and the switch comes out like that. So you can see the whole assembly came out. Now again, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase one from. Putting it together guys practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. You can see this switch has 4 wires, 2 kind of like working for the brake light switch and some working for the cruise control as well. There is nothing else. Some older vehicles used to have some older Lincoln vehicles guys used to have a secondary switch, okay, above this one for the cruise control, but now they're integrated into one single switch. So that's how you guys remove it, okay, and when you're ready to put it together, you install the wires and turn it counterclockwise this time just to get it in place. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.